Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Griffin, and this is Griffin Projects, day number 2 of Vlogmas.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Vlogmas!
Vlogmas, of course, being the challenge that some YouTubers take, making a video every single day from the 1st to the 25th. Bam! We're at day number 2, and today's gonna just be a quick little video to introduce you to one of my favorite builds that I've ever done. The favorite piece of furniture that I've ever designed so far, and it's affectionately called desk number 2. It turns out when I'm building something for myself, it's very, very hard to name it something creative, you know, like, oh, it's the Addison desk, which I guess I could call it, but for me, it's just desk number 2 because it was the second desk that I've ever designed that I actually liked and made. Desk number 2 was made because I work on a computer every single day when I'm not designing and building furniture at my shop, and usually for the last several years, all I did was work on a laptop on the couch or on the little kitchen table with the white top that you saw in last year and the year before's Vlogmas. But I had worked in the past with dual monitors, and I finally was just like, you know what? I want to run dual monitors again. Not only did I want to run dual monitors, but I wanted to run dual 32-inch monitors with some nice badass studio monitors on the side. And you know what? I designed desk number 2, and it just all fits so perfect. It's 72 inches long by 27 inches deep and approximately 28 to 29 inches tall. And I just love it. It's actually the first desk, let me show you, that I actually really took up cable management. Now, it might look a little weird, but it has a little bit of everything that I need. And don't get me wrong, we're gonna talk in way more detail about desk number 2, and not only how I designed it, but how I went ahead and like prototyped it and then ended up making it in a different episode of Vlogmas. So make sure that you're subscribed. Very important, because I want you to see it. It is such a cool build because we made the brackets for the legs. It just had a lot of interesting, complex issues that will be fun to show and share with you. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. For now, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.